how to make the perfect wrap.
This recipe will give you a heartwarming wrap.
No.
1 tortilla wrap, which will provide you with energy and fibre. 1 large tomato, which is a great provider of vitamin C and antioxidants. Some basil leaves for extra flavour and lots of vitamins. Mozzarella, which is a great provider of calcium and protein. A chopping board, a sharp knife, and a plate. And also a scissor to open the mozzarella with. First, wash the tomato, then cut it into small cubes.
Yeah.
How about you pour
First, wash the tomato and dry it. Then slice it into cubes.
Here's one that I chopped earlier.
Next, get a tortilla wrap out and put the tomato inside.
Ta-da!
Open the mozzarella over a bowl or sink because there might be spillages. When all the water's come out, get it out on a chopping board and cut it. Then put it into the wrap.
Next, chop as many basil leaves off as you desire, rinse them, and then cut them into small strips and place in wrap.
Stop. Whoa. You said go. No, say that. No, sorry.
Finally, roll it up into a wrap.
Enjoy with a beverage of your choice.
You can also try it with different cheeses and spices.
And then eat it.